Hello and welcome to another article of real estate. Let's jump right into this one. This is going to be a quick one. Talking about Florida condo prices see sharpest drop in 15 years as insurance and HOA costs surge. Yes, the cost has been surging and the prices have been dropping for quite some time. Anyways, rising homeowners association fees and insurance premiums are putting the squeeze on Florida's condo owners. As a result, condo prices are sinking. In August of 2025, the median sales price for a Florida condo was $285,000, down 8.1% from a year earlier and 14% below the July 2023 peak, according to Realty.com research. This is not good. Is it going to recover? That's the question. This marks the largest August year-to-year decline since 2010, according to Realty.com analysis of deed record. Okay, so they are looking into this, and this is what they came up with. And I've seen it in my area of Daytona, Ormond Beach. Between August of 2009, 2010, condo prices fell, 18.4%. That's insane. I don't think there's going to be appreciation anytime soon with these condos unless they're figuring out how to solve the HOA problem with the monthly fees, which are out of control as well. Florida condo market appears to be softening due to several factors, including rising home insurance costs, elevated HOA fees, yes, and increasing climate-related risk. Those are the ones on the beach. Those are the ones in areas that are in flood zones, says Hannah Jones, Senior Economic Research Analyst at Realtor.com. So these factors are playing into why the prices are what they are and why the HOA fees are going up. Moving on. The aftermath of the Surfside collapse. That was a building in Miami that collapsed on June 24th, 2021, killing 98 people and injuring 11 others. God bless those people. But this has caused an indirect effect with how HOA fees have been taken care of. Because of this, there's new regulation with building safety, which we do need, obviously. That's an important factor. A new building safety law mandates that condo buildings over 30 years old pass a structural integrity inspection. Then it requires homeowners and condo associations to finance that needed maintenance and repair work. So because of that, if you don't have enough reserves or need to make sure the reserves are up to par with Florida law, you need to have special assessments to allocate this money to the side for needed repairs. Even if the building's in good condition, you need a certain amount of money because of what's going on with this law, which is again causing HOA fees to go up or special assessments. Insurance prices on the rise. Yes, that's true, especially in high-risk flood areas, on the ocean, on rivers, and high-risk markets like Florida. Florida coverage must be purchased separately, and hurricane deductibles can reach 2 to 5% of the dwelling coverage. That's a lot. So yes, I can see why people are just getting tired of this. More price declines likely, warns one expert. And I do agree with this expert. I've looked at it in many different perspectives and different views, and I think the market is going to continue in this direction. Maybe in some areas we're at rock bottom, but we still have a long ways to go for condos to recover. Condo owners are unloading units left and right, and they're doing it at big discounts, he wrote on Instagram. Some buildings are now charging $2,000 a month more in HOA fees, and owners simply cannot handle it. Well, imagine you got your HOA fee, you got your mortgage, and you got your taxes. So yes, it's a lot of money for a lot of people. Condo prices still above pre-pandemic levels. Well, if you want to go back that far, yes, it's I guess give or take up roughly 54%. If you can really believe that in some areas, maybe that's not the truth for all. Anyways, this was a short article. Thank you for tuning in and listening. Give a thumbs up. They're free. Real estate can and will be expensive and sometimes reasonable, hopefully. Have a great day. Take care.